Here we go, guys. We're going on here. Oh, there's a dip there too. Thailand is stepping up. Yes. Yeah, how you doing?
Multicultural, where you look. Americans right behind you.
Oh yeah, everywhere. Yeah. So I'm documenting everything.
Yeah, you want to tell the people where y'all from? Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
And then 3 weeks in
Madison? Y'all from Madison? I got a good friend from Madison.
Yeah,
okay, we gotta move. Demus, I need your help. Yeah. Exactly. Oh, okay, close to Madison. Yeah. Y'all got a good friend in Madison.
Yeah, it's a nice town.
Yeah. He speaks highly of. He works a lot. He always like, I'm working.
If y'all get a chance, check out his channel, Philly Dom. He got 170,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
You know where your next stop is?
Thailand. What's up, guys? How you doing today? We're rocking out the one and only Philly Dom. We're on our way today, right now, to we're going on a boat to tour the river. What is the riverfront?
Yeah, we're in the riverfront district, and we're gonna take the dinner cruise around the whole Vietnam. The whole Bangkok.
The whole Bangkok. We've been talking about Vietnam so much.
It's on the tip of my tongue.
Yeah, we're gonna do a comparison. I'm gonna definitely do a comparison now.
But this is really nice right here. You don't even get. You think you're in Miami or
Thailand looking nice.
I don't know, it says warehouse 1 this way. We are warehouse 7, 8.
You can ask somebody. We're trying to ask somebody, trying to get our little bearings. First time any of us been here.
The food is something special.
Yes.
It's like cuisine from all over the world, but top notch. Everything
Yes,
gourmet, Michelin starred street food, something you've never seen before.
Oh yeah. Let them know your name or what you want to go by.
My name's Kong. I'm Demos the God's father.
Yeah.
We here saw us earlier in the gym. We're going out tonight with Philly, the one and only, showing us, a night out in town.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a whole different world from where we at.
But it's so multicultural, this Thailand, that it blows your mind away.
Yes, it is.
Everybody speaks English, so even for a first timer, we're moving around here pretty easy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it blows your mind how multicultural it is. How many Americans, how many Australians, how many Europeans.
Indians.
It's incredible. And Demo, say out to the camera.
What's up,
Yeah.
guys?
This is a little shy.
Yeah.
To being in the
This is a special fighter right here.
Yeah.
Special fighter. The kid's famous.
And we're working him out to be on, Philly Dom's going to do a little interview with him, tell you what his future plans are.
Oh yeah.
His goals are.
And I might be coming to some of his fights every now and then. Yeah.
You already know. He's going to be training in Hawaii, March.
Yeah.
You're open, maybe you can come out and check him out.
Okay, because I'm in the area.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Here in the area, yeah.
Doing that to come through. But I know you're always busy, but you can squeeze us in.
I'll squeeze y'all in for that one. You know, Hawaii, even everywhere. And his son is, let him know that he's ranked #1.
Yeah,
what age group?
10 years old, 80-pounder, USA boxer, ranked #1. You can check him out. Demos Marulas.
We're going to put his Instagram in there. Hold on. This it? Is that the?
We are warehouse 7-8. That's what it says.
ดีมากครับผมพี่ต้น
Ask this
ไป
guy.
แถวด้านหลังเลยนะคะ
He knows. We got a question.
yes
Warehouse 7-8.
can I see the confirmation what the cruise name is it our
The
cruise
cruise
name
name is the newest luxury
you have to
Hangout.
contact inside first counter check in counter check in is right there
Where's that?
Where's the check-in at?
that
Just pointing,
go
but
inside thank you
Inside?
I just go inside. He was helpful, but not helpful. He was helpful, but not helpful. I don't know what he was talking about. Then you rocking out with the one and only Philly Dom. Let's find out where we gotta go. Let me help them out. Then we gonna get back to you guys in 1 minute. Well, we had the guy. Go inside. Go inside of what? My Thai Connect? What was he talking about? Okay, it's not that bad, guys. We found out where we're going. This is the cruise that we're going on. Because I know you guys are going to ask me 1,000 times in the comment section. This is it. Okay. He's my witness.
You have to put this on the shirt.
Okay.
Let me stick it on. Very well.
Yeah. And this is Demon's mom right here.
Hello.
Yeah. The kid is special right here.
Yeah.
Next, you're gonna be the next world champion in a couple years.
Hey, Dimos, when's the next big fight?
What's your next big fight?
Detroit, Michigan.
And how many months?
Like a month from now.
A month from now. Okay.
So end of February we'll be fighting in Detroit.
Okay.
And then after that we're getting ready for Junior Olympics.
Okay.
Because we won silver last year. This year we're going for the gold.
You're gonna get it.
Yeah.
You're gonna get it, man. 84? So you know where to go now?
You know,
She said here too, right?
I didn't hear it. You have to listen.
Here too it says.
See, I-
Number 2 here.
So that's why sometimes it's not good to bring sand to the beach, but then it is because she could do all the footwork and I could just sit back and enjoy
Relax.
myself.
Yeah, 'cause
Yeah.
this was a hassle, guys, to find where this place was at. We had the guy just now earlier. He telling us,
And then
Inside.
we left early.
yeah,
Because
You
a
figured-
10-minute ride took us 45 minutes with that Friday night traffic over
yeah,
here.
traffic looking like Vietnam traffic, but worse.
A little bit worse.
Yeah, because it's a bigger city, bigger place.
We were talking in the car how Vietnam has a lot of motorbikes, maybe more than here, but here is loaded with cars.
Cars,
It's
you know,
cars
cars.
on top of cars.
And that causes a lot of problems, cars do.
Cultural out here.
Yes,
It ain't just
indeed.
like that. It's like
Yeah.
it's like you're vacationing in like Florida or something, like Miami or
Or the Keys.
yeah. We said that at the same time.
I know the Keys, Orlando, yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah. Actually, you do get a little Orlando vibes. You ain't
Yeah, it remind me of Orlando. Like some Disney World, there's so much to do.
like the Disney Village area.
Yeah, that's what the Disney Village area.
See,
That's,
and then that Ferris wheel gives you Las Vegas vibes.
look at that, boom.
You know what I'm
Oh
saying?
yeah. So we gonna make it where we gotta go, and then we'll figure it out.
And we'll hit them up on the boat.
Yeah.
What's your view on Thailand? How you like it, Philly?
Right here.
Huh?
We have to go right there, Pier 2.
Here too, okay.
So there's a big line.
Where's the line?
I don't know where.
Wow!
They're gonna have to organize this a little better here. This is. Probably ask this. Sorry.
Guys, ask this guy which boat we making on.
Is that the boat? Maybe that's the boat right there.
That's the boat we on.
So how we?
Hey, Des, ask him.
Yeah, we should cut the line.
Let's see.
That's the boat we getting on. That's where we going. That's us right there. Buffet. we go, guys. We're going on here. Oh, there's a dip there too. Thailand is stepping up. Yes. Yeah, how you doing?
Multicultural, where you look. Americans right behind you.
Oh yeah, everywhere. Yeah. So I'm documenting everything.
Yeah, you want to tell the people where y'all from? Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
And then 3 weeks in
Madison? Y'all from Madison? I got a good friend from Madison.
Yeah, James.
Okay, we gotta move. Demus, I need your help. God, I'm trying to yeah. Exactly. Oh, man. Okay, close to Madison. Yeah. Y'all got a good friend in Madison.
Yeah, it's a nice town.
Yeah. He speaks highly. He works a lot. He always like, I'm working.
If y'all get a chance, check out his channel, Philly Dom. He got 170,000 subscribers.
Yeah. 160,000.
He just flew over from Vietnam.
Come here with them. My family.
Here we go. Philly Dom in the building.
Oh yeah. There we go. Thai. Yeah. It's called. This is a buffet boat. Do the same thing. That's cool. I feel like I'm in New York City on the ferry to
the Circle Line.
Yeah, to go to Staten Island. But a real
or that tour you take around Manhattan.
The Circle Line.
We're a long way from Manhattan, though.
Oh yeah.
Okay, they got the little DJ going on over here.
So they doing their thing, man.
Really gonna throw down on the dance floor.
Yeah. I'm using the thumbnail of them in them dresses.
That's the thumbnail.
I need to get that.
Okay. Sorry about that.
It's a buffet boat. That's what I'm gonna call it in Thailand. You know, I'm on a buffet boat in Thailand. So we're here, okay.
I'll let people want to go in first,
Yeah.
so you're more on the edge.
Yeah.
Come over here.
Should I trust the water?
Oh, that's a good question.
Don't worry, you're never gonna, the water's never gonna splash you that high.
Should I trust this water?
I don't know.
Should I drink it or no?
Drink it, see what happens. Worst that could happen is you're gonna get Bangkok belly. Or they got slushies, dude. Watermelon, apple slushies.
Got everything.
What else?
We're gonna wait for the boat to move around and for them to start the action, guys. Once again, don't forget you're rocking out with the one and only Philly Dom and the King Kong family.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey guys,
Brazilian beauty, still I go higher. African queens, I see you, my love. I never reach there, but I swear I show up. Sooner than later, I go land with a vibe, with camera in hand and love in my eyes. Met her in Medellin, skin like gold. She said, you the sweet boy, you too cold. I no feel like I dey chase my dream. Another country, they call another video scene. From Rio to the islands, I collect the smile, but I no go fit stay. I dey walk out for miles, I dey live for the skies. Hotel too plain, no room for love, but no be pain. No fall in love.